Hello, boys. This is Amita Gardner once again with you. And first of all, I will read the poem which I have taught today. This video is for you. Go through it and try to understand the poem and do questions and answers. Now, the poem The Road Not Taken, written by Robert Frost. The two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry, I could not travel both. And be one traveller, long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. Then took the other just as far, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear. Though as for that, the passing there had warned them really about the same. And both that morning equally lay, in leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence. Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. Written by Robert Frost. Now, see, I have prepared something for you. Just go through it and try to do it in your notebooks. Now, poem The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. Now, introduction. This well-known poem, written by the poet Robert Frost, is about making choices in life, which shapes our life. Robert Frost is an American poet who writes simply but insightfully about common and ordinary experiences of human life. Now, the central theme of the poem. The central theme of the poem is the divergence of paths, both literally and figuratively, although its interpretation is noted for being complex and potentially divergent. Now, the summary of the poem. The Road Not Taken is an ambiguous poem. What is the meaning of ambiguous? Vague, unclear, with lots of interpretations. This is the meaning of this word ambiguous. Again, to repeat, The Road Not Taken is an ambiguous poem that allows the readers to think about choices in life, whether to go with the mainstream or to go alone on a path. Life is a journey, and the poem highlights those times in life when a decision has to be taken or has to be made, which way to choose, which way to go. Now, here in this poem, the question is whether the speaker of the poem consciously decides to take the road less traveled, off beaten track, or only does so because he doesn't fancy means he doesn't like the other road, the common path traveled by many people. He has to choose any one. One has to travel alone in life. We all have our individual journey of life For that, at a certain point of time in life, we have to take our own decisions and make our own choices. In the poem also, the speaker is in a dilemma. Dilemma means confusion. Because in a dilemma or in a confusion, because there are two roads in front of him and he has to choose one to continue his life's journey. Now, next, the central message of this poem. The central message is that in life we are often presented with choices. You know? Choices are there in front of us and we have to select, choose. When making a choice, one is required to make a decision. Okay? The poet has used his inner sight and chosen one direction, which according to him is less traveled. He has chosen one path, and that was less traveled. That was not very much traveled by many people, so he chose that. Now, next, in this poem, Robert Frost does not indicate whether the road he chose was the right one or the wrong one. But in his choice, but his choice will make his life a better or a worse one. It depends on our choices, on the decisions which take in life, that those decisions make our life. This poem is about the road taken and the road not taken. It is human nature to think, what if I had made that choice that day? Always we regret and repent. Oh, I have not done that. Why I have not taken that? Why I did not do that? Like that. We repent in our life. This is human nature. All of us, we think. After going ahead in life, we go back to our past days and we think like this. This pondering means thinking about the different life one may have lived, had be done something differently, is main or central idea of the poem. Which poem? Road Not Taken. In life, it is not at all possible to retreat. Retreat means to go back. Life is the name of going ahead and ahead. Life has a way of letting one thing leading to another thing. So going back in life is no option. There is no such option to go back in life. The speaker of the poem further implies that when he is older, he might look back at his turning point in life, the day he took the road less traveled, because that decision has completely changed his way of being, his life. Now, this is the main theme of the summary of the poem. Two things, just you note down. The rhyme scheme of this poem is A, B, A, A, B. Rhyme scheme is A, B, A, A, B. And the poem is figurative and symbolic. The poem is figurative and symbolic in nature. Symbolic in nature. Understood? Now homework will be, there are 5 questions and answers, few questions and answers. Question number homework. Do set 1, question 1 to 4. Next, do set 2, question 1 and 2. This will be your homework for you to do. All of you try to do it. All the best. God bless. Thank you.